Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with Ink and Inspirations, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and welcome to Craft and Chat Wednesday. I am pre-recording this video because the day that it airs, I will be on the road, but I wanted to share a fun project idea with you using the mini coffee carrier containers or packaging that's in the mini catalog, and it's part of this Heartwarming Hugs bundle or suite. And so you see right here, they're designed for these mini coffee cups, but you can use it for so many different things, and I'm going to show you one way today. For the designer paper, I'm using Trimming the Town, which is also in the mini catalog. And if you're watching this video in October of 2020, this is one of the designer paper collections that is currently on sale for 15% off. And it's got some great little prints in here, and I chose one of those to embellish this little pack. So these come, let's see, how many to a pack? 8 to a pack, and they come stored flat like this, so it's easy to store. And I'm just going to take it and bend it the other way to just kind of get the folds going, okay? And so we're going to assemble it, but first we're going to embellish it a bit with some of that designer paper. So come on in, say hello, and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you if you are sharing this video. I appreciate it. Okay, here we go. I've got my pieces already cut and ready to go. So I have this print with the little village people here on it, and I've got 4 pieces of this particular side, and 2 are cut at 5.5 by 2 1/8 inches tall, and 2 are cut at 2 5/8 by 2 1/8 inches tall. And then I have the opposite side cut in a 1/2 inch strip. Okay, so 1/2 inch by 5.5, and that's going to go across there on both of those, and then 1/2 inch by 2 5/8. And I'll have all the dimensions up later for you to see, whether you're watching on YouTube, it'll be on my blog. If you're watching on Facebook, it'll be in the description of the video. Okay. Here we go. Let's go ahead and add these pieces because that's going to make it easier when we put it all together. So I'm going to get my Stampin' Seal and my silicone craft sheet to keep my surface okay and free from the adhesive. And I can see my grid sheet lined up through there, so I'm lining that up there. And then I'm going to take and put on the back side here with the little people. And then we're going to embellish this piece with this old olive stripe. And I'm going to kind of go in the middle, just eyeballing it, okay? Just to give it an accent strip. All right, then I'm going to move this over and get another piece here. These are one of the side pieces. And so I can go ahead and adhere this. All right, I'm just lining it up with the previous one I did. I'll slide that over, and let's get this long piece here, the 1/2 inch strip, and lay it down. So I hope everybody's doing okay and having a great day. When I thought of this idea, I thought, okay, so I'm going to make it holiday themed, but you can do it for anything, fall or Halloween or a birthday. Just change your designer paper. Okay, so here's my last little strip. I'm going to line this up again with my grid sheet. I just kind of put it up next to it so I get it, guesstimate, and put it just about right in the middle, matching the other pieces of designer paper. Okay, ready with that. Now let's get our little carrier and apply the designer paper. Okay, again, I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal. And that piece ready to go. I'm always sure that I've got my people not standing on their heads. So, isn't that cute? Okay, so now we can take one of our end pieces and just line that up. So I'm going to be adding a little gift idea, which you could package anything and put it in here, but I'm also going to be using our 6x8 cellophane bags in a different way that I think you're going to enjoy seeing. And this particular gift is for Mia, my granddaughter Mia. And my idea was to put socks in here. And I wanted to do cute little socks, but her mom, my daughter, said, look, Mom, I have this package of socks. I'm just going to leave it with you and you can do your project. So, oh, need to roll that a little bit. Okay, having issues. I don't need to do it on top of that. If I miss the little, you got to be sure and catch it on the glue part. There we go. There's a little bit of a learning curve to that Stampin' Seal. I know it works better if you have it perpendicular to the surface you're trying to apply the adhesive. Okay, look at that. Okay, so now we can assemble it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fold on all these score lines so that I'm not fighting it while I put it together. It's a sturdy, sturdy box. I love it. In this craft color, neutral that goes with anything. Okay, so we're going to put down this big flap first, then the two sides, and then this one with the little tab, and you just push it in. No adhesive needed. I mean, how cute is that? All right, so now what I'm going to do is take some of all the trimmings ribbon. It comes with Poppy Parade lined with metallic gold and then Old Olive, and we'll be using both of those on this project. And it is part of the Trimming the Town suite with the little houses and this paper. Just really cute. Okay, so I'm pretty generous with this, and I just wrap it around. So if I had to measure it, it would probably be 24 to 28 inches just to give me enough to tie a bow. So anyway, I was thinking that if you wanted to do this like for neighbor gifts, teacher gifts, you could go ahead and assemble, put the designer paper on it, everything but the ribbon, you know, everything we've done, and then just store these flat until you're ready to assemble and put a cellophane bag, maybe with some wrapped candies or baked goods from your kitchen. Or for a teacher, it could be Post-it notes and the little small Sharpies, you know, the little pocket-sized Sharpies, or paper clips or clips, just anything little that would fit in a cellophane bag. Okay, so let me turn this, and I'm going to trim this a little bit. And then what I usually like to do is, that's not very tight at all. So that's one thing, you want to get it kind of tight. So let me do this. And if it twists a little bit, that's okay. I like to tie the bow and get it tight around the package, and then put a mini glue dot underneath the knot of the bow. So I think I have it tight enough now. Let me see if I can. I need another hand is what I need. Okay. Oh, it's still not tight enough. Let me see. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that. Instead of fighting it, get my glue dots. I'm going to take your pick tool And you just go ahead and lift that up. Put that underneath, and then I'm gonna tie it. I'm gonna press down like that. And I have another glue dot right here that I can use just to keep it steady while I tie my bow. All right. Now let's try it. Did you see me do that? Try to do it so quick not to lose that hold, but that glue dot did help. Should have done that to start with. Oh yeah, see how that looks trimming? I mean, just right down the center of that 1/2 inch strip. I love that. Okay, so that's cute. Let's trim this a little bit. Okay, so now we have that ready. I also die cut a piece of Poppy Parade, and this from the Warm Hugs bundle. I use this stitched circle, okay, and then the stamp set from the Warm Hugs bundle has some really cute sentiments. This one's on me, Merry Christmas, warm hugs to you all season long. I just chose for you. I stamped it in Old Olive ink, and I put the heart from that stamp set right in the center. And then I just punched it with a 1 1/2 inch circle punch, and then backed it with that Poppy Parade circle. And I'm just going to put that just right there. So I'm using some Stampin' Seal, and that just really pops there. Okay, now let me show you what we're going to do for the inside. I've got one of these 6x8 cellophane bags that is in the annual catalog, okay? They're not gusseted, okay? They're just a flat bag, but you can still package things in them, tie up the top, and it's super cute. I'm gonna make it even cuter, okay? Watch this. I saw this tip and technique from a quarterly meeting with Stampin' Up! That I had recently. It was a virtual meeting, and one of the concept artists shared this. And you see, I'm just ripping this down the edge of the side of the bag. And it's just, if I do it gently, it just tears right along that fold. Isn't that cool? Okay, let's do it on this side too. So what I want is 2 separate pieces here. So I'm just splitting that and tearing that open. Okay, and then I only need to use half of this for each little package of socks. So I'm just cutting down that bottom fold line. Okay, all right, now watch. I've got that there, and I think I'm going to put it on a Stampin' Pierce mat so you can maybe see it a little better. I don't know if this is going to work with the scene or not. I'm taking Poppy Parade. This is probably going to be better here. Let's get that. Oh, that's just ink. Okay, so I'm taking the brush tip, and this is our alcohol markers. So you can write or color on anything that is non-porous, okay? And it dries very quickly. So I'm just going to do some diagonal lines, and they don't even have to be straight, as you can see. I was struggling with that. And I'm just drawing some brush strokes on here. And the Poppy Parade is the red that it's in that designer series paper. Okay, and then I'm going to come this way. I tried this going straight across too, and I like the look of the diagonal lines better. Okay, so there we have that. Now I'm going to take my Old Olive Dark, and I'm using the dark of the blends combos. That was Dark Poppy Parade. This is Dark Old Olive, and it's still not very dark, but that's the green that's in the designer paper. So I'm just putting little brush strokes through here. Okay, and so just let that sit just a minute, and it's going to dry super quick. Okay, so now I'm going to take one little pair of socks. And like I said, it doesn't have to be socks. It could be wrapped candy, a small candy bar, you know, lots of different things. Okay, that's the side it was on. I'm going to flip it on this side. I'm going to roll these little socks up. Put it in the middle. And if you had bigger, like if you were doing like adult gift with adult fun socks for Christmas or something, you could use the full piece of the open cellophane bag without cutting the bottom. Okay, I mean, look how cute that is. All right, so now I'm going to take a little bit of adhesive there and just hold it down. And then I take about 8 inches of this. And I'm just going to tie up the ends. I mean, and look how cute that is with the cellophane bags. Isn't that cute? And with their Stampin' Blends. Okay. Trim that off. This is the old olive ribbon in that same ribbon pack. Let's do this side. I mean, you could also do this and like make a smaller bag, or you could use our clear envelopes, which I'll show you one in just a minute. I think I have it on my desk somewhere. Tie this up. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I thought it was so cute and such a clever way to use our cellophane bags in a different way and our Stampin' Blends. Okay, look how cute that is. Okay, so now let's get our box here. And I wrapped each of these separately. Oh, that's not sticking. Didn't press that down good enough. All right, so here's some more. I mean, look how cute that is. All right, and then I have one more pair of socks, so there'll be 6 of them. But this one, look, I did the stripes going straight across instead of diagonal. You see the difference? I definitely like the diagonal better, don't you? But it'll do. And then I'll do another one too. So isn't that cute? Okay, I hope you will give that a try. Those are our cellophane bags 102210 in the annual catalog, and you get 50 of them in one bag. And you can use these for all kinds of things. Okay, so now let me show you this little Halloween one I did. I did dark Blackberry Bliss and dark pumpkin pie and did the diagonal lines. And I took Boo from the, what stamp set is this? The Banner Year, okay? And I stamped it in Black StazOn on the cellophane. And this is one of our envelopes, okay? Our clear envelopes that are in the annual catalog. I just cut the flap off of that. And look. You can put this, you could put filler paper in here too if you wanted it to be cute. But look how cute that is. You fold this down, put a tag, and that's ready to go. Okay, I'll try to finish this and post it on my blog. Okay, there are our project ideas today. I hope you enjoyed that and we'll give it a try. If I can help you with anything, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will see you all again soon. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.